Al-Haqqa 69, 38 to 46. فَلَا أُقْسِمُ بِمَا تُبْصِرُونَ وَمَا لَا تُبْصِرُونَ إِنَّهُ لَقَوْلُ رَسُولٍ كَرِيمٍ. The translation is, so I, that is Allah, do not divide with what you have the insight. And what you do not have the insight, surely it is the qawl, saying of the honorable messenger. So Allah says, I do not divide what you have the insight and what you do not have the insight. Innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem. Surely, definitely, this Quran is the saying of the messenger, honorable messenger. The Quran is the saying of the honorable messenger. So by the reading of an ayah, these ayahs, we have come to know that the Quran is the saying of the messenger Rasulullah, honorable. Now, what we have been told, the general understanding, again you have to discuss the general understanding. This I hold in my hand is a book of hadith. And this is the Quran. Right hand Quran, this is hadith. So they say the Quran is the qawl of Allah, saying of Allah. And hadith is the saying of messenger. So you have to believe both to understand the religion. But it's not true. Sorry. The Quran is the revelation and the inspiration of Allah to Muhammad Rasulullah. Listen to my words. Quran, Allah's book, is the revelation, means nazil. Wahi means inspiration. It is the revelation or the inspiration from Allah to Muhammad Rasulullah. This is the book of Allah. It is not the book of the messenger. It is the book of Allah. It is the revelation from Allah. It is an inspiration from Allah. Who said it? Muhammad Rasulullah. So Allah says, Innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem. So this Quran is a saying of the messenger, honorable messenger. It is a revelation from Allah. It is an inspiration from Allah. It is a book from Allah said by messenger. And the whole non-Muslims and Muslims believe that this Quran was brought by messenger. So you must understand the Quran is the saying of the messenger and a revelation from Allah. And this you cannot make this differentiation. Whatever Allah revealed, Muhammad Rasulullah said. Whatever Allah inspired, Muhammad Rasulullah said. So, innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem. Surely, this is the qawl, saying of honorable messenger. So, messenger said it, revealed by Allah. Messenger said it, inspired by Allah. It's simple. But in the books of traditions, hadith, on the authority of so many scholars, they say that the book, that the contents in the book is said is the saying of the messenger upon the reports of other people. On the authority of various scholars, they are saying it, that this is what Muhammad Rasulullah said. But on the authority of Allah is, Innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem, fala uqsimu bima tubsirun wa ma la tubsirun. And what I do not divide, what you see, what your insight is, and what you do not have the insight. Innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem. Surely this is the most honorable messenger saying, on the authority of Allah. In his whole lifetime he said the ayahs. They say, the whole life he quoted the ayahs on different situations. He quoted the ayahs, you give another book in his name. You give another book in his name with so many contradictions, so many books. You say Muhammad Rasulullah said, so many things said, but nobody writes that this is what ayat he said. So now in Surah Al-Mu'minun 23, 68 and 69, Allah says, أَفَلَمْ يَدَّبَّرُوا الْقَوْلِ أَمْ جَاءَهُمْ مَا لَمْ يَأْتِ آبَاءَهُمُ الْأَوَّلِينَ أَمْ لَمْ يَعْرِفُوا رَسُولَهُمْ فَهُمْ لَهُ مُنْكِرُونَ. So what? Do they not ponder on the qawl, saying, or there has come to them what was not come to the fathers or the ancestors of their earlier ones? Or do they not recognize their messenger, so for him they are disguised? Now Allah is saying, أَفَلَمْ يَدَّبَّرُوا الْقَوْلِ. Do they not ponder over the qawl? Qawl means the saying. Saying of whom? Saying of the messenger, the Quranic ayahs. This is the kalam of Allah, word of Allah, saying of the messenger. So Allah says, do they not ponder over the saying? Or there has come to them what was not come to their fathers. Is there new thing what has not come to the father? Allah said, whatever He said, it was said before also. So what has come to be to them, what has come to the fathers and sisters of their earlier ones? Is this something new? No. Or do they not recognize their messenger? The question is, do they not ponder on the saying? If you do not ponder the saying, you don't recognize the messenger. The Qawl Rasul Kareem of the Quran, then you read an ayah, and you understand this is the saying of the messenger. The moment you understand this is the saying of the messenger is the recognition of the messenger. Now if somebody says this is the saying of the messenger. So by hearing those words within the hadith, you hear those words, you think that is the saying of the messenger. Allah says, do they not أَفَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُ الْقَوْلِ? Do they not ponder the qawl, the Quranic ayah? Do they not ponder the ayahs or the qawl? Saying, which saying? This saying. Qawl Rasul Kareem. Say, or there has come to them what was not come to the fathers, ancestors of their earlier ones. Whatever the fathers, the same thing has been coming from the earlier fathers. أَمْ لَمْ يَعْرِفُوا رَسُولَهُمْ? Or do they not recognize the messenger? If you do not ponder the Quranic ayahs, you do not accept the ayahs as the saying of the messenger, you do not recognize the messenger. The recognition, to recognize the messenger is to recognize the ayat as the saying of the messenger, not anything else.